Okay, we're back, and yeah, sorry about the last episode. I was a little bit annoyed because right at the start I burnt my tongue with a fucking cup of tea. So last time I got a request, I should say, to help Archangel and so we can get Mortem Solar. So I'm going to go get Archangel first, which means I've got to talk to this one.
I hear you're recruiting.
Why don't you step inside?
I wish I could do something about this
You'll
fucking
get paid
echo.
when the job's done, just like everyone else. Who's next? Well, aren't you sweet? You're in the wrong place, honey. Strippers' quarters are that way.
Show me yours, tough guy. I bet mine's bigger.
Impressive. So, you're here to fight then?
Sure, if this is the place to go after Archangel.
This is the place. Standard fee is 500 credits each. You get paid when the job's done. If you die, your friends don't collect your share. You'll need your own weapons and armor. Looks like you got that covered. And no, this does not make you a member of the Blue Suns, Eclipse, or the Blood Pack. You are a freelancer, period. Any questions?
No.
Where do we go?
Just head over to the transport depot outside the club. One of our boys will take you from there. Send in the next one.
Hey, is this where I sign up?
You look a little young to be freelancing as a merc.
I'm old enough. I grew up on Omega. I know how to use a gun.
So does Archangel.
I can handle myself. Besides, I just spent 50 credits on this pistol and I want to use it.
Oh, what the fuck? I better save his life.
Get your money back.
Hey, what are you...
Trust me, kid. You'll thank me later.
Ah, damn it. I should have left it so I could kill him. Oh, well. Oh, well. Shit.
Don't look at me like that.
I should actually have a look at my character. Have a look. Hit button down. Oh, here we go. Paragon, Renegade. It's all more on Paragon, but really don't know if I should do it. Oh well. Doesn't fucking matter. Doesn't fucking matter. Sprint. Fucking hell, this chick is really out of shape. Like, worse than even me, and that's saying something. Let's just save. I forgot to save.
Ari's expecting me.
Annoyed. If she were expecting.
Oh well.
Omega, what a piss hole. At least it keeps you on your toes. I've had to come here on business before. I feel like I need a shower afterward, in addition to normal decontamination.
Oh well. I think this is the guy I talked to.
I'm on the mission.
I hope you're ready. Archangel's been annihilating you freelancers.
Ready when you are.
Get in.
If I remember correctly, I can sabotage the shit out of a lot of his stuff. Which is going to be fun. Well, I guess I'm stuck with you two, you assholes. Jacob's got 3 incendiary ammo. Nah, I'm just gonna leave it at that. I'll upgrade them later on. The Blue Zones have a pink ship. That's cool.
It's about time they sent me someone who looks like they can actually fight. They tell you what we're up against?
The recruiter was a little vague.
We wouldn't get many hires if everyone knew the truth. Archangel's holed up in a building at the end of the boulevard over there. He's got superior position, and the only way in is over a very exposed bridge. It's a killing ground, but he's getting tired, making mistakes. We'll have him soon enough.
You guys have a plan?
A small team is waiting to infiltrate his hideout, but we need to draw Archangel's fire so they can move in.
And that's where we come in.
Exactly. You'll be on a distraction team. Head straight over the bridge and keep Archangel busy so the infiltration team can sneak in behind him.
Sounds like a suicide mission to me.
Pretty much. But you look like you can handle it. Head up to the boulevard and get to the third barricade. Talk to Sergeant Kathka. He'll tell you when to go in.
I better go find Sergeant Kathka.
Good idea. Watch yourself on the boulevard. Archangel's killed dozens out there already.
Makes you wonder.
Well, we might have a way in, but getting out could be interesting.
Let's find him first. Then we'll figure out how to get back.
Is there anything back here? No, dead end. Dead end. Talk to them wanks.
Shepard, I've scanned the area, but I am unable to plot any other paths to Archangel.
Guess we're going with the mercs.
The heavy mechs and gunship possess considerable firepower. Weakening them before leaving will improve your chances.
Good idea.
As the first wave goes in, the infiltration team will attempt to take Archangel by surprise. I don't expect much from the freelancers. When they fail, we're up next. The light mechs go in first. If that's not enough, we send in the heavy. Be prepared.
Let's open up here, see what I've got. Let's hack the crap out of this. Okay. That's what I want. That's what I, no, that's not it. Where the fuck is that? There we go. Now I want 2 orange. White on top. Ah! How the fuck did I do that? Okay. I want a purple. There we go. Bunch of green. There we go. And 1 white. White, yellow, blue. That's not it. That's not it. There we go. There we go. Oh, 4,000 credits is nothing to scoff at. 500 element 0 is pretty good. Now let's hack the shit of this. Okay. Circle. Y. That's Y. Battery. Circle. Targeting is reconfigured.
That should slow them down.
Perfect. It'll be hostile if they activate it.
Yes, it will be. We're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna have so much fun. And now I've got to kill this fucker eventually, I think.
You're in the wrong place, freelancer.
You the Blood Pack leader?
Name's Garm. That's all you need to know. I'm stuck here waiting till you freelancers are done playing war. Ask your questions and go.
When did the Blood Pack attack?
Damn Tarek wants us to wait. I hate waiting. But he says the Suns have a plan, and they don't want us getting in their way. We're supposed to wait until the Eclipse send their mechs. We'll see.
What do you know about Archangel?
He's a pain in the ass. He's a Turian, which makes him slightly worse to look at than you. And he's brave, till he realizes you're more than he bargained for.
Really?
Sounds like you've had personal experience.
He tried to take me down once. Waited till I was alone. Longest damn fight of my life. But I held him off till my men showed up. He wasn't so tough after that. We chased him over half of Omega. Almost had him.
But the slippery bastard snuck away before we could pin him down.
Really? Well,
I should get going.
About time.
anything in here? Nothing but vulture.
Leave us alone!
You got sniped like a bitch. What's this blue at the bottom? Hey, there it is. White. And mostly blue. No. There we go. Nope, that's not it. That's it. Bypass this. Battery. Half circle. Wire. Battery. There we go.
We can use this.
Oh good. Pistol upgrade. Oh no, submachine gun. Hate submachine guns. And heavy weapon ammo. You beauty. Oh wait a second, I just realised.
Watch out!
Hey Garrus! Okay. Better save this so I don't have to do any of that hacking again in case I die.
Kafka?
Ready, Kafka?
Sergeant Kafka. You must be the group Salky mentioned. You're just in time.
Saki?
You met him when you were dropped off. He radioed to say you were coming. You three kinda stand out from most of the other freelancers. Anyway, the infiltration team is about to give us a signal. Archangel won't know what hit him. Got any questions? This may be your last chance.
Are you leading the assault?
Ha! Tarek doesn't pay me to fight. I just plan the attacks and fix the damn gunship. You freelancers get the privilege of... Check. Bravo team, go, go, go!
Okay, now I've got to kill this
Archangel's
bastard.
got quite a surprise waiting for him. But that means no more waiting for me. Gotta get her back to 100% before Tarek decides he needs her again.
You're working too hard.
Doesn't look like Archangel's got much time.
Well, let's not wait around too long.
Come on, we'll give these guys a surprise of our own.
Hostile!
Come on!
Oh good, I got the shotty.
She's with Archangel!
Oh fuck.
Yes! Felt that one!
This looks interesting.
I think that's everything I need to get. Hey, who shot me?
Incoming!
Have a nice trip!
Save that medikit as well. Has everything got the... Yep, everything's still got my bloody things.
Archangel?
Shepard.
Well, if it
I
isn't
thought you were
Garrus.
dead.
Garrus! What are you doing here?
Just keeping my skills sharp. A little target practice.
You okay?
Been better, but it sure is good to see a friendly face. Killing mercs is hard work, especially on my own.
And my feet just haven't been the same.
Since when did you start calling yourself Archangel?
It's just a name the locals gave me for all my good deeds. I don't mind it, but please, it's just Garrus to you.
How'd you manage to piss off every major merc organization in the Terminus systems?
It wasn't easy. I really had to work at it. I am amazed that they teamed up to fight me. They must really hate me.
That's okay.
What are you doing out here on Omega?
I got fed up with all the bureaucratic crap on the Citadel. Figured I could do more good on my own. At least it's not hard to find criminals here. All I have to do is point my gun and shoot.
You nailed me good a couple times, by the way.
Concussive rounds only, no harm done. Didn't want the mercs getting suspicious.
Uh-huh.
If I wanted to do more than take your shields down, I'd have done it. Besides, you were taking your sweet time. I needed to get you moving.
Well, we got here, but I don't
Okay,
think
let's
getting
get
out
this-
will be as easy.
No, it won't. That bridge has saved my life, funneling all those witless idiots into scope. But it works both ways. They'll slaughter us if we try to get out that way.
So we just sit here and wait for them to take us out?
It's not all that bad. This place has held them off so far. And with 3 of you, I suggest we hold this location, wait for a crack in their defenses, take our chances. It's not a perfect plan, but it's a plan.
How'd you let yourself get into this position?
My feelings got in the way of my better judgment. It's a long story. I'll make you a deal. You get me out of here alive, and I'll tell you the whole damn thing.
Let's
I
kick
didn't like
ass.
sneaking anyway. Time to spill a little merc blood.
Glad to see you haven't changed. Let's see what they're up to. Looks like they know their infiltration team failed. Take a look. Scouts. Eclipse, I think.
More than scouts. One less now, though.
Indeed. We better get ready. I'll stay up here. I can do a lot of damage from this vantage point. You can do what you do best. Just like old times, Shepard. Let's give these bastards everything we've got. I'm on 'em!
Come on over!
Unit member offline. Backup system Allied force casualty. Excuse me.
Good shot!
Fuck, missed. Come on. Boom.
Heads up. They're deploying snipers.
Oh, I love this game.
One less to worry about.
Reload.
Firing now.
Yes!
Ammo.
Eclipse mercs have made it into the base.
Firing now.
Watch your back, Shepard.
Gravity's one mean mother, huh?
There we go.
Snipe that one.
I've got him.
Never saw me coming.
Get over here.
And like that, I'm out of freaking that. Oh. Gotta go down and get some freaking ammo, eh?
My shields are down.
If you want something done properly. All right, let's see how you handle this, Archangel. Go!
They're sending out the heavy mechs.
That problem should take care of itself.
We're compromised.
And just let that mech do its own thing. Oh, I love tampering with shit.
There we go.
And there we go. Full armor.
I got it.
Primer defenses offline.
Scoped and dropped. It's about to go off. Never saw me coming.
Movies.
I'll tear you up.
Gravity's one mean mother, huh?
Scoped and dropped.
Looks like that's all of them. Come find me before they regroup.
Okay, all ammo seems to be good. there a vault thing up here? Just gotta check.
You're kicking ass, Shepard. They barely touched me. And we got Jareth in the process. I've been hunting that little bastard for months.
Why were you after him?
He's been shipping tainted Ezo all over Citadel space. Half the goods I seized back at CSEC came from his team here on Omega. I took out a big shipment a while back and killed his top lieutenant in the process. Not surprised he decided to work with the other mercs after that.
We've still got blood-pack and blue suns left. Think we can make a break for it?
Maybe. Let's see what they're up to. They've reinforced the other side, heavily, but they're not coming over the bridge yet. What are they waiting for?
What the hell was that?
Damn it. They breached the lower level. Well, they had to use their brains eventually. You'd better get down there, Shepard. I'll keep the bridge clear.
I didn't come all this way to let you die. We'll split up 2 and 2. Keep one of my team here.
You sure? Who knows what you'll find down there?
Miranda, stay with Garrus. Keep him alive.
Thanks, Shepard. You better get going.
We're on our way.
Go down a level. The basement door's on the west side of the main room behind the stairs. I'll radio directions if you need help, but you've got to get down there quick. Good luck.
Commencing shutdown.
Gotta hurt.
We'll need more than that.
Watch it.
Shutter secured.
There's 2 more shutters. Get them close, fast. Find the large shutters and see them.
I'll kill you. Have a nice trip.
Heal.
There's a console near the shutters.
Gear up.
Here they come. There's not too many yet.
Commencing shutdown. Shutter secured.
Just 1 more shutter. Hurry!
Looks like ammo there. Thank you.
Making another push. I'm taking some fire, but I'm okay so far.
to get stuck on walls here. Come on. What the fuck? Now I'm jammed on a fucking wall? Fuck off. Okay, come on. Where's that shutter? There it is.
Try a real man's weapon. Get over here.
Commencing shutdown.
I'm going to need some help soon. They're getting more aggressive.
I'm coming, I'm coming.
Get back here, Shepard. They're coming in through the doors.
Rip them to shreds!
Oh, this guy.
Watch my back. I'll deal with Archangel.
Yep, just stand there, Jacob. Yep, let's go.
Taking cover! Watch the Krogan!
Krogan incoming!
Krogan charging!
Still alive!
Now let's finish you off!
Garm's got me pinned down.
I could shoot him in the back.
I got it!
I need help with this guy, Shepard.
Where's his head? Delicious ammo. Delicious ammo!
They've stopped. Come find me.
Can I grab that helmet? Should really get just a little bit more ammo for this gun. Some money. 100 credits is nothing to stop at.
Thanks, Shepard. They hardly got through to me. And we took out Garm and his blood pack. This day just gets better and better. He was one tough son of a bitch.
You fought with him before?
Yeah, we tangled once. Caught him alone, none of his gang to help him. Still couldn't take him out. I've never seen a Krogan regen that fast. He's a freak of nature. He just kept at it until his Vorcha showed up. It was close, but I had to let him go. Not this time.
Only the Blue Suns are left. I say we take our chances and fight our way out.
I think you're right. Tarek's got the toughest group, but nothing we haven't faced before. Besides, he won't be expecting us to meet him head-on and...
Look out!
Son of a bitch!
I thought I took that thing out already.
They fixed it, but not completely. I made sure of that.
They're offloading troops. Watch your back, Shepard.
Gravity's one mean mother, huh? I need cover!
Taking fire.
Taking fire.
Dropped him!
Fuck. Shield regen, come on.
They're rappelling down the sidewall, ground floor.
I'm going in!
Get down!
They've reached the rear stairs.
I've got him!
Hell!
Get back.
Firing now.
Engaging hostiles! Kill them! On target! Taking cover! You're done!
Shit, missed. Missed again? What's wrong with me? Nice.
Eyes ahead! Have a nice trip!
Suck shit! Suck fucking shit! Oh no! Garrus! You broke your pen!
We're getting you out of here, Garrus. Just hold on. Radio Joker! Make sure they're ready for us!
We better hurry. He looks bad.
Don't worry, Garrus. We'll save you. We'll fix you up. Okay, I got this gun, which seems to be a lot better. Yeah, I forgot. There's no submachine guns for the actual soldier. It's the only character who can't use submachine guns. Which is sad because there actually is one submachine gun that I remember in this cave, which is fucking badass. It's got a small clip, but it literally just empties an entire clip in a few seconds.
Commander, we've done what we could for Garrus, but he took a bad hit. The doc's corrected with surgical procedures and some cybernetics. Best we can tell, he'll have full functionality, but...
Shepard?
Tough son of a bitch. Didn't think he'd be up yet.
Nobody would give me a mirror. How bad is it?
Hell, Garrus, you were always ugly. Slap some face paint on there and no one will even notice.
Oh, don't make me laugh. Damn it, my face is barely holding together as it is. Some women find facial scars attractive. Mind you, most of those women are Krogan.
Hey, why not?
Frankly, I'm more worried about you. I've heard bad things about Cerberus these past few years.
That's why I'm glad you're here, Garrus. If I'm walking into hell, I want someone I trust at my side.
You realize this plan has me walking into hell, too. Just like old times. I'm fit for duty whenever you need me, Shepard. I'll settle in and see what I can do with the forward batteries.
Good to have you back, Garrus. Good to have you back, buddy. Now let's go talk to Garrus. And then I'll call it an episode, because I actually do kind of need a shit, actually. Must be a day.
What's this area of the ship?
This is the Combat Information Center. Here, the crew receives...
Here we go. On a mission to find my Garrus.
Did you hear? Another colony went missing. Ferris Fields.
Ferris Fields? Didn't Hadley have a brother stationed there?
Yeah, he's taking it pretty hard.
Shepard, need me for something?
Have you got a minute?
Sure. Just checking the weapon systems. You can never be too careful. I thought I'd seen every weapon in the galaxy in our fight against Saren. Mercenary work showed me otherwise. And now Cerberus rebuilds the Normandy with a few upgrades to boot. I wish we'd joined up with them sooner.
I'm pleased to see that you're getting along with the new crew.
they're as friendly to me as people from a group like Cerberus can be. And they've got you vouching for them. I can't exactly doubt your judgment. Not after I got my own squad killed.
What did your merc squad do? Didn't sound like you were available for hire.
You saw Omega. It was full of thugs kicking the helpless. I formed my team to kick back. We weren't mercenaries. At least nobody was paying us. We made money by taking down slavers, pirates, or gangs that went too far.
Doesn't sound like you made any friends with the gangs.
I got 3 separate merc bands to work together to take me down. My manager at CSEC would be impressed. It was simple. We'd hit their shipments, disrupt activities, get under their skin, make them angry. They'd come charging right into our well-prepared kill zone, crossfire and snipers, clean and surgical. They never stood a chance.
That's the way you gotta do it.
Tell me about your squad.
There were 12 of us, including me. Former military operatives, CSEC agents, the usual. Had a Solarian explosives expert. Pretty sure he'd spent time in the Special Tasks group. My tech expert was a Batarian, believe it or not. Not the friendliest guy, but he could hack any system ever built.
How'd you end up fighting mercenaries here on Omega?
After the Normandy was destroyed, most of us went our separate ways. CSEC asked me back, but I turned them down. Omega was filled with criminals nobody else could touch. And there was no red tape to slow me down. It was a perfect fit. People here needed someone to believe in. Someone to stand up to the local thugs.
That explains how you started. How'd you end up with a squad?
Not too different from how you formed your squad to fight Saren, actually. You prove that you get things done, and people join up. Mercs who wanted to atone. Security consultants tired of playing by the rules. I gave them hope. And now they're dead. Shows what I know.
How did those mercenary gangs take down your team?
It was my own damn fault. One of my people betrayed me. A Turian named Sidonis. He drew me away just before the mercs attacked my squad. Then he disappeared. Everyone except me is dead because of him. And because I didn't see it coming.
I'm not sure I understand. What happened exactly?
Sidonis asked for my help on a job. When I got to the meeting point, nobody was there. By the time I got back to our hideout, the mercs had killed all but 2 of my squad. And they didn't last long.
Do you know where Sidonis is now?
No. His trail vanishes after he leaves Omega, but I'll keep hunting. I lost my whole team except for Sidonis. One day I'll find him and correct that.
Sounds like a plan. We'll kill that
Thanks
son of
for
a
coming
bitch
by,
together.
Shepard. I've got some things to take care of.
Okay. We're gonna kill that son of a bitch together, Garrus. We will frickin' reap vengeance upon this fuck.
How can I help you, Commander?
I won't take any more of your time.
Back to work.
Okay, back up to the bridge. Oh, fucking Nick.
Commander, you've received a new message at your private terminal.
Oh. What is that? Operate field, subscription data received from the user. Okay, Gladden gave me this address. Thank you, Overlord. Oh, looks like I saved that little tosser. John Whiteson. Fair enough. So I saved another Whitey.
Hadley, I heard about Ferris Fields. Any news on your brother?
He's gone. They're all gone. But we'll get them back.
Shepard and Lawson are on it. We'll get your brother back. And make sure the collectors pay for taking him.
Back to Omega. Oh, god damn it, I forgot that it's bloody not like... Oh, wait a second. There's something up here. There we go. There we go. I don't think I can upgrade any weapons yet. I'm just gonna have a quick look and then we'll have to end the episode. Choose. No, that assault gun is shit house. Okay, I will catch you guys next time. You guys have a good day, alright? Alright.